Rub or grease the foil tray pan with vegan butter or coconut oil. In a small mixing bowl, whisk together the almond milk, melted butter, and sugar. The mixture should just be warm between 100 and 110 degrees. If it's hotter, allow to cool slightly. And sprinkle the yeast evenly over the warm mixture and let set for 1 minute or so. Add 4 cups sifted flour, matcha powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt to the milk mixture and mix with wooden or rubber spatula until just combined. If your dough is too dry, just add a little bit more milk. If it's too sticky, just add more flour. And by the way, this is my second time to make cinnamon rolls, and I just can't do it right making the dough. But they said practice makes perfect. And try to make a ball, then add some flour and put onto clean flat floured surface and knead the dough. Mix ball again and place in a bowl with some oil and cover with kitchen towel and leave it in a warm place and let it rise for an hour. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. After an hour, the dough should have nearly double size. Remove the towel and punch the dough and put onto a well-floured surface and knead the dough lightly and add some flour if necessary until the dough just loses its thickness and does not stick to the surface. Roll the dough out onto a large rectangle for about 1/2 inch and 1 centimeter thick for the corners just to make sure they are sharp and even. Spread the softened vegan butter evenly over the dough and sprinkle evenly with brown sugar and cinnamon powder. Roll up the dough, forming a log, and pitch the seam close, and trim off any unevenness on either end. Cut the log in half, then divide each half into 9 to 10 size pieces about 1 and 1/2 inches and 8 centimeter thick each, and arrange the cinnamon rolls in a foil tray pan and cover with plastic wrap or kitchen towel and place in a warm place to rise for about 30 minutes. To prepare the glaze, in a small size mixing bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, almond milk, vegan butter, and vanilla extract until smooth. After 30 minutes, remove the kitchen towel and bake the cinnamon rolls in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. And once it's done, let it cool, and while it's warm, drizzle with glaze. And these cinnamon rolls you can enjoy with drinks like coffee, matcha latte, or whatever drinks that you are favorite. And of course, you can enjoy these cinnamon rolls with your family. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.